A very nice question for the competitive exam as well as for the Olympiads also. Now, see, find the value of 27 upon 18 whole raised to 27 upon 18. It is very interesting question, but what is the value of this question? 27 upon 18 whole raised to 27 upon 18. Now, see the solution of this question. When it will be how much? Solution. Since 27 upon 18 whole raised to 27 upon 18. So this question can be written as what? Now see, it's the simplest form since 27 upon 18 it goes by 9. So 9 3s are 9 2s are, that is 3 upon 2. This is the explanation. So this can be written as 3 upon 2 whole raised to, this is also 3 upon 2 because of same number, it is also 3 upon 2. So 3 upon 2 whole raised to 3 upon 2. So what will be the simplest form of this term? This means 3 upon 2 whole raised to half and whole cube. Why it is this? Because of a to the power m whole raised to n equal to a to the power m into n. So if you multiply half into 3, that is 3 upon 2, we get again previous term. So 3 upon 2 whole raised to half and whole cube. So this gives what? So raised to half means it is the root of 3 upon 2 whole cube. This one. So root 3 upon 2 whole cube means what? It is equal to root 3 upon 2 multiplied by root 3 upon 2 multiplied by root 3 upon 2. 3 times. So root 3 upon 2 into root 3 upon 2 becomes what? Root 3 upon 2 into root 3 upon 2 becomes, this is root of 3 into 3 upon 2 into 2 into, this one is single, that is 3 upon 2. Now, square root of 3 into 3 upon 2 into 2, it is already in pairs. So we write here 3 upon 2. It's the simplest form. 3 into 3, 9. 2 into 2, 4. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 4 is 2. So 3 upon 2 into, this can be written as root 3 upon root of 2. It's the simplest form. Continuation. 3 upon 2 into root of 3 upon root of 2. Now, rationalize the denominator. We get into root 2 root of 2 upon root of 2, multiplying by root 2 and dividing by root 2 in the same number. So this will be 3, it is root 3 into root 2, that is 3 to the 6. Here it is 3 root of 6 upon, here root 2 into root 2, 2, that is 2 into 2. And this one is 3 root of 6 upon 4. So this is the answer, or you can say 3 root 3 upon, here it is root 2. 3 upon 2 root 3 upon 2, and here 3 upon 2 root 3 upon root 2, multiplying dividing by this, we get 3 root 6 upon 4. So there are two answers. You can say 3 root 3 upon 2. This can be written as this one. It is also 3 root of 3 upon 2 root of 2. So this is the answer, and this is also answer. So you can write any one if it is given that find the value of. For the multiple choice of the question, choose your option according to given option. तो ऑप्शन में क्या दिया है वो चेक करो, फाइंड करो और देखो कि 3 रूट 3 अपॉन 2 रूट 2 दिया है, या 3 रूट 6 अपॉन 4 दिया है, या अगर इसको न्यूमरेटर को रेशनलाइज कर दिया जाए, यहाँ पर तो ये हो जाएगा √3 अपॉन इंटू √3 अपॉन √3, तो दिस विल बी 9 अपॉन 2√6। तीसरा आंसर जो आएगा 9 अपॉन 2√6 भी इसका आंसर पॉसिबल है। और 9 अपॉन 2√6, तो दे हैव द सेम वैल्यू, इसका भी वैल्यू वही आता है, इसका भी वैल्यू वही आता है और इसका भी वैल्यू वही आता है। तो अब स्टूडेंट उसी क्वेश्चन को इसको डिटेल्स में देखें। तो अभी क्या करना है कि शॉर्ट्स में भी ये सोल्यूशन फास्ट देख सकते हो और डिटेल्स में यही सोल्यूशन वीडियोस में देख सकते हो। तो अब स्टूडेंट के लिए 2 बेनिफिट्स हैं, शॉर्ट्स में फास्ट सोल्यूशन और डिटेल्स अगर देखना है तो उसी क्वेश्चन को हमारे वीडियो में भी देख सकते हो। तो इसी टाइप के और भी शॉर्ट्स और वीडियोस देखने के लिए जुड़े रहिए हमारे चैनल से और देखते रहिए कमिंग वीडियोस।